Do you finish your video editing, but dread the thought of designing a thumbnail? Or maybe you struggle with complex tools like Photoshop just to get a simple image. A bad thumbnail can ruin hours of hard work, because no one will click on it. Filmora 15 solves this with a built-in AI thumbnail creator that works instantly. First, complete your video edit on the timeline. Click the export button at the top right corner. Look at the left side of the export window. You will see a section labeled Thumbnail. Click on the Edit button next to the thumbnail preview. Now, you can select the best frame from your video. Drag the slider to find a moment that looks exciting or emotional. Once you have the frame, click the AI Template tab on the right. Filmora analyzes your video content automatically. It suggests professional layouts, mode text styles, and cutout effects. Select a template that matches your video genre, like gaming, vlog, or tutorial. The AI automatically cuts out the subject and places it over a dynamic background. You can click on the text to change the title. When you are happy with the design, click Save or Export to Local. Your high-quality thumbnail is now ready. It is optimized for high click-through rates and requires zero design skills. If this saved you time, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe for more. Filmora 15 Editing.